Hello everyone, today I have the July Splendies. Already opened them again, but anyways, it came wrapped like this. Here's a little sticker, cute wrapping paper. The first pair I'm pulling out are these burgundy-ish colored with flowers on them. It's cute. Some lace on the sides. And these retail for $12. And they're from Splendies. The next ones I'm pulling out is this full lace number, and it's in a cream color. That's what it look like. And this retails for $12 also, and this is from Wilshire, Montana Intimates. And the last one here is also from Splendies, and it also retails for $12. Here's what they look like. Sorry for the cats being crabby towards each other. It says Splendies right there, and then the back is mesh with some polka dots on it. Now, Splendies retails for, let me see, sizes small to 4X, the size ranges from, and you can get no thongs, all thongs, or a surprise variety. I picked the surprise variety, but didn't get any thongs. Usually, from what I've seen, you get 2 regular pairs and then a thong if you do the surprise variety, but I'm fine with the ones I got because I like these ones, and I'm not that into thongs, but figured I'd get the surprise variety anyways. And then small to extra large is $14.99 a month, and then 1X to 4X is $16.99 a month. And there's almost always half off your first month for Splendies, so there's that also. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.